What's up? It's your boy Seiko.
What's up, guy?
And today we're following where we're going to help a guy look at a 300. He met me at the beach and he decided, he want to get he was basically challenging me to a race. He was like, I want to run you when I get my 300. And he wanted me to go, he wanted us to go basically help him look at it and check it out and see if it's a good car for him to buy. So right now we're following him, and it's like a 59-minute drive. It's not far from here, so that's good. And yeah. Oh, how y'all guys been doing? Leave in the comments down below. Now we'll reply back. And yeah, enjoy this video. And I'm trying my best to get y'all some footage, so bear with us. And let's do it.
No gas. I forgot 300 coming.
Yeah. Alright, you guys. So basically, we had a twin turbo 300. We got it, and it has, I ain't gonna lie, it has a good bit of work it needs. Like compared to mine when I bought it, it needs a lot of work. And basically, what it is an NA shell with a twin turbo motor in it. I didn't know, that was an NA. I didn't really see no difference in it because you never know. The shell usually, NA, I take it back. You do know when it's twin turbo, it has a wing on the back, but sometimes it's NA. But when it do or don't have a wing on the back, but when it don't have a wing, basically it's not NA. It's not twin turbo. I mean, so yeah. And I see the wing. It was with 3M tape, and I told him you have to put like some holes in it in order for it to screw down. So yeah, it's like, it's good. It's a good car, good platform for him. So, yeah, it's quick. I give him that. That's my first time driving a twin turbo or a turbo car at all. It's quick, and basically the car doesn't have any struts, and the car bounced in the air. He was literally finna fly out the T-top area, and it was funny. I was like, oh, I was like, you alright? And we were just laughing, but that's all that matters. He was happy, you know. He had a smile on his face. I was like, you know, that's good. You know, he's still learning, and even though he knew how to drive stick shift, it was just he had to get back in the groove of, you know, driving the stick shift. But other than this, like, he did a good job with it. It's just he has a lot of work. He said he wants a project car. This is the perfect one because he needs fenders, a new windshield, he needs clusters. It's perfect for him since he wants a project car, and basically that's what he wants, you know. I mean, he bought a 300 fam now, so now he has to own up to it. And next is this guy right here. So yeah, I told him I had to show him how to drive stick shift, but not in this one because this one is way too aggressive for him. And I know for a fact he's gonna want to mat it and everything, but it's alright, you know, it's like that. That's how basically Alec and all of us basically learn, because the faster you go, the more you'll learn. The slower you go, the more it's like it'll take time. And that's what's funny. And it shouldn't have to be like that. But other than that, I'm gonna get back with y'all and, you know, update y'all on this.
The Cowboys make a run for the border. This is my Mexico.
Why did you let me race with your car? You knew I was gonna wreck it.
Why not?
Cause it's a lot of money.
I have money. It's trust and character I need around me. And who you choose to be around you, let you know who you are. And one car in exchange for knowing what a man's made of. That's a price I can live with. Look at all those people down there. They follow the rules for what? They're letting fear lead them.
What happens if they don't?
Life's simple. You make choices, you don't look back.
You ain't camera shy, is it?
Huh?
You ain't camera shy, is it?
No, you good.
Alright. Alright, we got my boy Peter right here. This is 300. We just bought. It has quite a bit, you know, to be done, but the motor, all it was the motor. As long as the motor, you know, is in good shape, that's all that matters.
Project car.
And it's a project car, so I say it's perfect. And yeah, it's like, yeah, it's gonna be a fun build. I know that for sure. It's gonna be a fun build. You might hate it every now and then, but you always gonna, you know, in the end, be like, you know, I bought it for a reason.
It's not worth it if you don't need it every once in a while.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So basically, this is a NA body shop, well, body shell, and we have a twin turbo motor in it, but it has a single intake filter for it.
I think you'll be fine.
What?
Like right here.
Oh, right now they're trying to get the window up because the passenger side doesn't go down. It needs a motor.
Still gonna get it.
But you see.
The wind's gonna blow. As long as you don't get right here, bro. Stick a towel right here.
And my brother would call me, but basically,
No, you should hold this camera.
it's clean.
Well, it's hot as fuck. Damn.
Hold on. I'll call y'all back in a minute. I'll talk to y'all in a minute. I'll say I'll call y'all. Alright, you gonna wash it up?
Katie.
Yeah, you gonna wash it up, and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks afterwards. We just made it back home, and the only reason why I didn't catch no footage for the inside is because he started washing his car and I didn't want to bother him, and I'm letting him enjoy his car. So yeah, it's hot. I don't know if y'all can see I'm sweating. He's sweating. It's hot. I gotta get the AC back in my car. I think I just gotta change out my compressor, that way it can, you know, kick on, because now it's not kicking on anymore. When I first bought the car, it's like, you know, cold air and everything, and I was, you know, happy with that. Now it's all out, ain't nothing it kicks on, but it's not cold like I was. Well, not necessarily the compressor kicks on, but like the air conditioning unit still kicks on, but I'm gonna deal with that later. So as of now, I'm ending right here, you guys. Yeah, I hope you enjoy his Z. And I hope you do enjoy it. His name Peter. Just keep up on the maintenance, and it can go, you know, long as it'll, you know, be on the top of his, I'm getting tongue twisted. Long as it's on top of his maintenance, you're good. Like, you ain't gotta worry about anything. People talk about 300s being, you know, unreliable and things. It really ain't. It's like, you just gotta keep on top of the maintenance. Yeah, it's high. Which I told him, I said, you know, I recommend you to get another side hustle or something, because, you know, one job ain't gonna do it where you're working at. So yeah, and I'm still like that now. I'm still trying to find a side hustle, which, I mean, I'm at a decent job, but I still need a side hustle. I want to go far and beyond. Well, we want to go far and beyond, not just me. So we can show off this build and show basically both of the builds, and then when he get his twin turbo Z, we can show off his build. So the Z32 community, like, as far as down here, is like getting larger. Like, basically the old days down here, like, a lot of people were saying how back in the days when I wasn't even in the cars, it was a group of 300s that usually be down here. Either they moved out, or either they just sold their cars and got something, you know, reliable, basically something newer. And I mean, can't do nothing about it. That's how people are, you know. They've had their fun, and now it's time for us to have our fun. So with that being said, hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, you know, comment down below what I should work on. Like I say, I attend to it. And look at this boy. All right, we gone. Yeah.